In this video, we will look at a case study converting a hexadecimal digit to a decimal value. The hexadecimal number system has 16 digits, 0 to 9, A to F. The letters A, B, C, D, E, F corresponds to decimal numbers 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Now, if you're not familiar with the number systems, please look at the appendix on number systems to study how to convert the numbers. Now, this is a simple case. We have only one single digit, and we're going to prompt the user to enter the hex digit as a string. So we're going to convert this into the uppercase. So this is a hex digit, just a 1. And we want to make sure it is one single hex digit. If not the case, and then we will display this message. You must enter exactly one character. So now this is sys.exit. Sys is the module, exit now is invoked to exit the program. Now we have one digit in the string, one hex digit in the string. So this, if the digit is less than or equal to F, and it is greater than or equal to A. So now we get this value is this. So this hex digit minus this to the order, the code minus this code for the character A, and plus 10. So if this hex digit is 1, so this is going to be value is 10. If this is B, so this is going to be 11. And we're going to print it. Now, else if hex digit is a digit. So now, so that's 0 to 9. We simply display this hex digit. Else, the input is invalid. So here's the live example. We can modify the code here. So this is one thing you can do is you can use strip just to make sure if there's something here. This is, you have space on the both sides, particularly the right side, and needs to be stripped. If you use Eclipse, and this should be used. Now we're going to test if this has exactly one character. So then you can use len this hex digits is if it's not equal to 1. So that is, this is if it's not equal to 1. So we're going to print the message, exit the program. And here, you can write the program. Another way is this. You can have A less than or equal to hex digit and write it this way. This is fine. And the value is now is hex digit minus you have to use the function odd hex digit minus 8, it's uppercase 8, and plus 10. So please note that we already convert everything into uppercase. Else if this hex digit is digit. So if so, and we now that's a digit from 0 to 9. Else it's invalid. input. That is all for this case study on converting a hexadecimal digit to a decimal value. See you on the next video.